Does your Ecovacs Deebot T8 Aivi seem to have forgotten how to drive straight? The driving wheel problem is a surprisingly common headache for many Ecovacs Deebot T8 Aivi owners. That hesitant movement or circular dance usually points to two main culprits: a faulty wheel module and often worn-out tires. Think of it like a car with misaligned wheels and bald tires. It just can't get where it needs to go efficiently or safely. Over time, the constant friction and varied terrains your Deebot navigates can take a toll. The internal mechanisms of the wheel module can wear down, and those rubber tires, well, they're not built to last forever. But don't worry, Robocare specializes in getting your Ecovacs Deebot T8 Aivi back on track. At Robocare, we're not just general repairmen, we're Ecovacs Deebot T8 Aivi specialists. Our certified technicians have seen every wobble, every worn-out wheel, and every faulty wheel module imaginable on these specific models. We utilize advanced diagnostic techniques to accurately pinpoint whether it's a simple worn-out tire needing replacement or a more complex faulty wheel module. We don't just guess, we get to the root of the driving wheel problem efficiently and effectively, ensuring a lasting repair with genuine components. We believe in precision, not patchwork. Let's get to the results. After our expert technicians replaced the faulty wheel module and those worn-out tires, this Deebot T8 Aivi is back to its prime. See how it effortlessly navigates, cleaning every corner with precision. The driving wheel problem is gone. Hear what our customers have to say about their Robocare experience.
I'm genuinely so thrilled with Robocare. They brought my Ecovacs Deebot T8 Aivi back to life. If your robot vacuum is having a driving wheel problem or any issue at all, don't hesitate. Contact Robocare. They're reliable, they're experts, and they truly care about getting your robot back to its best.
For this and any other robot vacuum issue, trust the experts at Robocare. Visit our website or call us today to schedule your repair.